Introducing the new Avanti Spa's top-of-the-range jacuzzi, built with over 25 years of experience. This is something you've never seen before. Barbara, tell them more about the Galacia.
This beautiful design jacuzzi is the best in the market. It's fitted with the smart control system with add-on features like Wi-Fi, soft touch panel, and also easy to incorporate with products like heat pumps and more. Another advantage of this beautiful jacuzzi is that you've got a choice between two different shells, white or charcoal. The jacuzzi is fitted with a lightweight UV protected cladding as a surround to make it easy to manage. The jet configurations in this beautiful jacuzzi is for the ultimate massage experience and relaxation. What makes this jacuzzi even better is that it is fitted with the ozone therapy, so no need for any extra additional chemicals or advanced cleaning.
Contact us today to get the best jacuzzi in South Africa. Give us a call or leave us an email at sales@avantispas.co.za.